Well, hi there and welcome to Jigglar. You've just signed up for your free 30-day account, and I'm going to show you a template that agents are using right at the moment to win lots of listing appointments, get listings and make sales. My name is Ray Wood and I'm a founder at the company, and this is a flyer that we call the street sign flyer or important notice flyer. I'm going to show you where to find it in your Jigglar platform. I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to show you how to distribute it. More importantly, I'm going to show you why it works. I'm going to show you the science behind it. I'm going to do that fairly quickly, but this flyer is just smashing it. Here's a recent email I received from our friend Daniel just outside of Melbourne. I set up my Jigglar account about a year ago. Since then, Jigglar templates have won me more than 50 listing appointments, which in turn generated 22 listings and 13 sales, or $130,000 in extra commission. The system is so easy to use and has replaced all my other marketing, which saves me a fortune every month. Daniel was spending thousands of dollars every month on getting flyers designed and paying for leads, etc. He slaughtered that cost by getting on board with Jigglar and using these templates that work. So first of all, I'm going to go back to that template, but let's just get a little bit of housekeeping underway. I want to help you set up your account initially. What you're going to do is you're going to press My Account up here at the top if you haven't done so already. And you're going to complete your details here under Account Details. Decide whether you are in Australia or New Zealand or the UK where they use A4, or your US, Canada where we use letter. And your information. Then you're going to click over here on Profile Images. You're going to upload your personal profile photo. You can see I've done mine there, and you're going to choose your company logo. You're going to click Save Changes. Then you're going to get into Agency Settings. So I've just put myself here as Remax. You could be Keller Williams, whatever agency you are, you may well find it here. If not, then all you need to do is click Other down here. You can put in your company name there. There we go, X brand. And then you can select your colors. Now you can either do it manually on line of sight or what you think is accurate for your color. However, all logos have what's called a hex code, which is a hashtag followed by 6 characters. For example, 000000 is black, right? So you can put in any color there you want. Just for the sake of the exercise, I'm going to just select, what am I going to select? I'll select Remax, and that's going to automatically bring up my Remax colors. I'm going to click Save Changes. That lets me populate every template I want with the colors that I'm looking for. I can do that pretty easily. It will populate the document with my colors. It won't and contact information. It won't populate logo and photo. You need to do that manually, but I'll show you how to do that in a second. We do that for a reason. Okay, so I'm clicking Save Changes. Now essentially I'm all set up and ready to go. Okay, and we're going to take a look at this flyer here and how it works. Let me firstly show you why it works in the actual application, and this part's important. A lot of new Jigglar agents want to use this, but they don't. I wouldn't say a lot. Some new Jigglar agents don't get this instruction and they jump straight to the gun. So let me show you how and why it works. I've just picked an area here of Phoenix, Arizona, the suburb of Glendale. And I kind of like this because it's broken into squares. In any case, what you're going to do, the way that this flyer works is that it focuses on the phenomena, and if you've been in real estate for any length of time, you might already be aware, know and understand that when a property comes up in an area, often another 1 or 2 properties, not always, but it seems more often than not another 1 or 2 or sometimes 3 properties will come up in the same area. Maybe it's because the other property sellers think that, okay, well, there's already 1 property for sale, and that's going to be attracting some buyers, so let's get our property on the market and we'll get those buyers as well as the ones that our agent can use for marketing. Whatever. That seems to be the philosophy, and that seems to, or the phenomena, and that seems to be how it works. So what we're doing here with this flyer is capitalizing on that. So let's say, for example, I'm here back in Glendale in Arizona. Let's say a property comes up on, what have we got here? 9th 55th Street, North 55th Street, okay? So let's say a property comes up here on North 55th Street. Now, if I live anywhere near this listing, say if I'm on West Freeway Lane or West Orchard Lane or West Butler Drive, chances are I'm going to be driving, it's sort of a main road, I'm going to be driving along this road or street to get to a connecting street, to get to West Olive or North 51st Avenue. What do we got down the bottom here? West Northern Avenue. You can see how I'm just focusing on this square. So what I'm suggesting that you do is you brand up your flyer, this one here, with the name of the street in around where your listing is. So I said there's a listing on North 55th Avenue. Okay, let's just say it's in here, this one right here. In some areas of Google Maps they have the numbers, they don't here, but what they do have is the outline of the home, so you can actually see how many properties there are on the street, which tells you how many flyers you need to create. So I'd be looking to target 250 or 300 flyers in the area. So what I'm going to do is, naturally, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to target North 55th Avenue. It's a bit of a mouthful. Let me go in here. So I'm going to change this to like that. Okay, so I want my street sign name to look as realistic as possible. Okay, so I'm going to pump that up a little bit, and I'm going to move that. Basically with Jigglar, what you see is what you get, and what you click on you can move, etc. If I move something accidentally and make a mistake, all I need to do is click this tool over here, or there's a keyboard command for that, which is Control or Command if you're on a Mac, Z, and it takes it right back into place. Move it, oops, Control Z. So you can change all of the things you need to do here. You can change your colors. Let's put in my logo. Now the other thing you must do is you must upload your image into your, so you're going to simply click upload here, and you're going to upload your personal image and your logo. I've already done that. So you can see that I've got some images here. What was I after? My Remax logo. So I've got a Remax balloon here somewhere. There it is. I'm going to go click. I just selected it, and there it is. Okay. And I can change my face if I want, or change the agent. All I'm going to do again is click over here on the image, and I find it's just a sample image. I actually like when you've got a side-on image like that, I actually like facing into the action. So what I do here is I just use this tool over here to flip. See that? You can also stand on a head, so like that. Now, by the way, if you don't have a photo on a transparent background, which you should, because you can make your marketing look pretty awesome when you stand it up over an image or something, not over copy like that, but you can put your logo up over an image. It works really well with social media marketing. All you need to do is go to jigglar.com/shop. You can scroll down here, click on this image background removal, send us your photo. I think it's $25 Australian. We'll take care of it. Okay, upload your photo there, and we'll give you an image on a transparent background. So back to my target market here, and where I'm dropping my flyers. North 55th Avenue. There's my flyer. I'm going to save that. I'm going to save it to my Jiggles. Click OK. Great. Now I can download it. If I'm going to print it in the office, which I probably will because I'm only doing a small run, it's going to save it down here. Here's my PDF that's downloading. Now it's downloaded, and there it is. It's that easy. So I want to get back into my Jiggles, or now I'm back in here, I can do another street name. So let's go back to our map. So I've already covered North 55th Avenue, and the other thing I want to do in here is I want to work out how many homes do I need to deliver to. So it looks to me, let's have a bit of a look here. So it looks to me, I'm going to do a guesstimate, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to say 50 or 60 flyers is going to cover me on North 55th Avenue. So my property's in here. Chances are somebody who lives on West Butler, they're going to see this property and become aware of it. Now your timing is critical here. So if your list to sell time in your area is 4 or 5 weeks, I'd be getting this flyer out around about 7 to 10 days after the property has initially come on the market. One of your competitors' properties have come on the market, because then other people are going to become aware of it. So it's basically that straightforward. So West Butler Drive, W Butler Drive, there we go. I can download that, I can print. Now there are details in here that you'll need to edit, read over the letter, but once you've got it, you can save it straight into your Jiggles and you can come back and you can access it anytime. So I've successfully saved that. So let me get back into my Jiggles, which is where all my saved ones are. Okay, so I'm back here in my Jiggles. These are high resolution, big, full larger format files, which is why they take a little while to generate the preview. However, if I want to change it, I can simply click on it, and there it is, and I'm ready to edit it. So it's basically that straightforward. West Butler, how many would I be doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. West Butler goes up here, it goes up here a little bit further. I don't want to do too much. I'll probably go up to North 51st Avenue. So what I'm going to focus on really, essentially, is this area in here. You can do as many or as few as you want. Our advice is pick one property a week that comes up in your area with one of your competitors, and there's nothing wrong with letter dropping around it, because chances are there'll be another seller in your area who is looking to sell. So again, welcome to Jigglar. We're here to help. If you've got any questions, please reach out, support@jigglar.com. One of us can jump on a call with you. We can do a screen share. There's a heap that you can discover in here. There's a heap of things that you can look at, edit, and really help customize your brand and establish you as the authority agent in your area. Cheers, everybody. Have a great day and take care. Happy jiggling.